Hello guys, today I'm reviewing the Baleaf Men's Rain Jacket, a lightweight waterproof windbreaker designed for running, cycling, and everyday outdoor use. If you've ever been caught in unexpected rain, mid-workout, you know how quickly it can ruin the moment. This jacket is built to keep that from happening. It features a TPU membrane with 5,000 millimeters waterproof protection, which means it can handle steady rain without soaking through. At the same time, it's surprisingly lightweight, so you're not weighed down while you're moving. The breathable back vent helps release excess heat, preventing that sweaty, trapped feeling you sometimes get with rain shells. The fit strikes a great balance, comfortable enough for layering, but athletic enough to avoid bulk. It also comes in multiple colors and a wide size range, so most body types are covered. Storage is another strong point, with several zippered pockets that securely hold your phone, keys, or small essentials while you're on the go. Reflective details add visibility in low light conditions, which is a nice safety touch for early morning or evening workouts. The only small drawback is the hood can feel slightly roomy in windy weather, but tightening the draw cord solves that quickly. Overall, this jacket delivers solid waterproof performance, breathability, and versatility at a practical price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.